To make your printer working, you have to install a program in your PC. This program is the printer driver. For start, plug the printer's USB cable into your computer. Plug the USB cable into the printer. Turn on the printer. In many cases, simply turning the printer on will prompt the printer driver installation to begin. Follow the on-screen prompts until your printer is installed. If not, using a search engine, Google, Bing, or something else, type the name of your printer and driver. Choose the printer's manufacturer website. Locate the driver, then follow the instructions and download the driver. If you need help to find your driver, leave a comment, I'll help you. After you download it, double-click the file to begin installing it. That's all. After the installation, you are ready to use the printer.